Check if a string contains a number. Most of the questions I found are biased on the fact they're looking for letters in their numbers, whereas I'm looking for numbers in what I'd like to be a numberless string. I need to enter a string and check to see if it contains any numbers, and if it does, reject it. The function isdigit only returns true if all of the characters are numbers. I just want to see if the user has entered a number, so a sentence like, I own one dog or something. Any ideas?
You can use any function with the str.isdigit function, like this. Alternatively, you can use a regular expression, like this.
You can use a combination of any and str.isdigit. The function will return true if a digit exists in the string, otherwise false. Demo.
Use the Python method str.isalpha. This function returns true if all characters in the string are alphabetic and there is at least one character, returns false otherwise. Python docs, this URL.
This URL. You should better use regular expression. It's much faster.
You could apply the function isdigit on every character in the string. Or you could use regular expressions. Also, I found how do I find one number in a string in Python, with very suitable ways to return numbers. The solution below is from the answer in that question. Alternatively, for further information, take a look at the regex docu, this URL. Edit. This returns the actual numbers, not a Boolean value, so the answers above are more correct for your case. The first method will return the first digit and subsequent consecutive digits. Thus 1.56 will be returned as 1. 10,000 will be returned as 10. 0207, 100, 1000 will be returned as 0207. The second method does not work. To extract all digits, dots and commas, and not lose non-consecutive digits, use
If you want to support the channel, please